Alright, I've started a new recording just because that last video was getting long. One thing is when I used to record videos from my phone, I would record some videos that were like an hour long. And I didn't have And then since I wanted to record those long videos, I didn't really have a lot of storage space. With this camera, I have better storage space. In my phone. That's why I tend to only record shorts with my phone. Whoa, that was bright. Where the hell is all this lightning coming from, man? Alright, that was loud. That was by far the closest lightning strike we've had so far tonight. There's a dog barking. When is this gonna end, dude? There's not even like... How is this even happening? Like, I'm pretty sure the storms should, like, be all to our west now. Unless these are dry thunderstorms. Like, what is going on? Unless there's... This storm down south is packed with lightning. Unless that storm down south is packed with lightning. And I could just record this from my room. Or somewhere. So we have chance of thunderstorms until 11 p.m. and then slight chance of thunderstorms until 1 a.m. And then rain likely tomorrow morning. And because of the cold front tomorrow, we'll have probably it'll be windy in the morning, windy and rainy. Then we might actually have some snow tomorrow afternoon. It's gonna be cold again. And then maybe some thunderstorms again on Monday due to another cold front. And that's gonna be cold again. And I don't know, it's gonna be in the 50s. Typical March weather. Hopefully we don't get stuck in a drought. So now below average temperatures are going to return. After Monday's warm and cold front. And I personally don't like it. But that appears what's happening. So, yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm just hoping that we're all gonna be safe. That's what I want. No, I want there to be severe storms. I want there to be severe storms. I don't want to screw up again like today. Today was terrible. Yes, the National Weather Service shows a slight chance of thunderstorms Monday morning from 2 a.m. to 1 p.m., which is overnight and when I'm at school. That's not good. That's not the time frame that I want. I will, of course, set up a camera to record while I'm at school if that does happen. But there's some model runs here that show it earlier, so we'll take a look at those. So for example, I'll start with the GFS model. This shows the line. Why is it not loading? I still have bad connection out here. I don't have bad connection. Oh, never mind, I do. Oh, there's another wind gust, it looks like. Yeah, it's breezy now. I think that's because of the cold front. I don't know. Should I end the video? It seems like there's not as much lightning as there was. I don't know. So somehow, the lightning from that squall line in South Jersey was able to extend just south of us, which is weird. I don't know why that's happening. Especially in areas with like green radar precipitation, which is light to moderate. And typically the storm's lightning happens in the core. Most of the storm's lightning happens in the core of the storm, where the heaviest precipitation is. And I'm pretty sure supercells contain the most lightning than any other thunderstorm. Are they most frequent? A squall line may contain more flashes overall, but I think like supercells have the most continuous lightning. But squall lines produce more flashes because they're more widespread. But supercells, I think, have more frequent lightning in a single area. I could be wrong. Well, it actually depends. It does depend on the squall line. Like, for example, a lot of squall lines in the cool season, which are months like November through March, when we get severe thunderstorms, they often don't contain lightning. That's because it's the cool season, they rely heavily on wind shear rather than cape. Alright. Is that all? We got more thunderstorms to the west, but I don't know if those are not severe, and I don't know if they're gonna really. They might die by the time they hit us. The cold front passage tomorrow may produce some gusty winds, but it's mainly gonna be showers, and maybe there might even be a snow squall. Why is my thing so slow? Alright guys, I'm gonna go inside now. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm probably... Oh, we got a wind gust. Haven't seen lightning now for 5 minutes. I don't know why there was one bright flash that was closer than all the others, and now it's all over. That's just weird. And again, I'd probably be going inside, and yep, as soon as I decide to leave, it's done. However, that was not a close lightning flash. The other one, that would, the one with the louder thunder, I still wouldn't consider that close. In order to be close, because that was still roughly a mile away at closest. And there's still lightning, bro. Are you serious? And that one was also kind of bright. I'll just listen. Of course. The moment I'm leaving, there's lightning. It's like Mother Nature's trying to fool me here. Trying to fool around. Alright, there's the thunder. Alright, that's it, y'all. I think I'm going inside now. I hope you guys enjoyed. I wouldn't be surprised if you didn't, because I'm sure if you've watched my channel, if you're new to this channel, you might have enjoyed this. And if you like lightning and stuff. But if you've already watched my channel, you've probably seen a bunch of other good lightning videos that this doesn't even compare to. And most of those lightning videos are, though, from the summer. But yes, I thank you guys for watching. If you watched this video, if you're somehow at this point in the video, congrats. You made it to the end. But I think that's gonna be it. I don't understand how there's still any lightning less than 5 miles here. When the storms have basically moved out of the area. It's just weird. And I don't know if is it clouds of ground lightning? I'm not sure, but if it is, these might be positive strikes. I think that storm there has positive lightning. Which is crazy, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Just make sure I got everything I need, because I took my radar device, which is my tablet, as well as my radio out here. I don't know why I need my radio. Turns out I didn't need it. If you somehow are at this point in the video, again, congrats. I don't know what to say. I'm sure it's been very boring, except for the beginning, or that good lightning strike. But I'm kind of disappointed. And hopefully Monday brings us something better. Hopefully March 16th, 2026 will be a significant upgrade from March 16th, 2025. You know what I'm saying? It's like 1 year apart, except this time we get the impact instead of like western Pennsylvania. It's very coincidental. And I'm not saying we will get a storm that day. I'm just saying that's what the models are showing. It appears possible, and here comes another wind gust. We'll sit here for this. What time is it? I need to go inside pretty soon. I think it's like about 10. Yeah, it's 9:58. I gotta go inside, get ready for bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lightning. Again, I might set up a camera here to record more storms if there are more storms while I'm in bed. But I truly thank you for watching. I'll just let this wind gust pass. And I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Or not tomorrow. I'm probably going to upload this video tomorrow if I get a chance to. But I might not, because I'm going to be very busy. I'm busy tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. I gotta wake up at like 6 a.m. or something. And I'm busy Thursday too. I'm busy. Tomorrow is Thursday. I'm busy tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. And I'd say I probably have a busy weekend too. I'll be busy all of Saturday morning until like 12:30, or well, later than that, until the afternoon. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this lightning show. It was decent for March, but there's still thunder rumbling, but it's definitely not as good as summer lightning shows. We definitely have a lot, and that light just ruins it. We definitely, as you know, have a lot, much better lightning in the summer, but there's a reason for that. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed.